Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the image which you added to your document on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Open a document and go to the gallery section under the elements button at the left side of the screen. And in the gallery section you can find pictures from your device, and just select one and click to the add to page button. And new the image added your document, and go to the edit image option, the top of the screen, and you can find it different filters. And if you go to the adjust button, you can set the brightness, content, blur, clarity, vibrance, and highlights option, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.